Hey guys, today we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative gadgets designed to enhance your everyday life. We have a lineup of extraordinary tools that will revolutionize your workspace, supercharge your productivity, and keep you powered up on the go. Imagine a device that not only organizes your desk, but also charges your devices wirelessly and has an incredibly sleek design crafted from recycled materials. Curious? Keep watching because we'll reveal this game-changing gadget later in the video. Stay tuned as we explore cutting-edge technology that simplifies tasks and adds a touch of magic to your daily routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to stay updated on our latest releases. Get ready to elevate your experience with the future of tech. Need an extra hand for your projects? Discover the magnetic wristband with powerful neodymium magnets, perfect for keeping screws and nails within easy reach. The magnetic wristband is a handy gadget designed to keep small parts like screws and nails within easy reach during various tasks. This wristband features super strong and strategically placed neodymium magnets, ensuring optimal magnetic field coverage for holding metal tools. Its durable 1680D ballistic polyester outer layer makes it flexible, strong, and breathable. The wristband is adjustable and padded to fit wrists of all sizes comfortably, with an innovative thumb loop for stability and injury prevention. Additionally, it includes a bonus mesh bag to hold non-magnetizable tools. The magnetic wristband is a practical solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering convenience and efficiency in organizing small parts during tasks. Its features include strong, rare earth magnets, robust construction with 1680D ballistic material, a breathable mesh interior for comfort, and an adjustable closure for a customized fit. This versatile gadget can be worn on the wrist, belt, or tool bag, making it ideal for various applications such as home improvement, woodworking, carpentry, and auto repair. With powerful neodymium magnets embedded throughout, the magnetic wristband ensures a secure hold on screws, nails, bolts, and more, acting like a third hand during work. Its breathable and lightweight design, along with two pockets for non-magnetic items, adds to its functionality and convenience. The adjustable fit makes it suitable for most wrists and allows it to be attached to a work belt. Whether as a personal tool or a thoughtful gift, this magnetic wristband enhances efficiency and reduces frustration during tasks. Transform your workspace with the LeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0. The ultimate desk organizer combining recycled wool and PU leather with advanced features like USB Type-C ports and a magnetic wireless charger. Are you ready to enhance your productivity? The LeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0 is a revolutionary desk organizer designed to enhance productivity and declutter your workspace. This innovative gadget combines magnetic wool and desk mat technology, allowing users to customize their office setup effortlessly. Equipped with 3 USB Type-C ports, a pen toolbar, and a magnetic wireless charger, the LeMat Fixer offers a seamless solution for charging devices and organizing essentials. The LeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0 features a sleek design crafted from 100% recycled wool and PU leather, providing both style and functionality. Its wireless charging compatibility with iPhone and Android devices ensures convenient power access, while the magnetic wooden fixator and NFC tag offer additional customization options. With dimensions of 31.8 length by 16.1 height inches, this desk organizer fits most desk mats and provides ample space for workspace personalization. Designed by Voris in Los Angeles, California, the LeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0 is handcrafted with precision and attention to detail. Its ergonomic design includes dedicated spaces for stationery and small accessories, ensuring quick access to essentials whenever needed. Additionally, the smooth surface of the LeMat protects desks from scratches and spills, maintaining a clean and professional workspace environment. Whether you're a professional seeking to optimize productivity or a DIY enthusiast looking to streamline your workspace, the LeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0 is the perfect desk accessory for you. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the LeMat Magnetic Fixer 2.0 and transform your workplace today. Meet the Bold 2 by UZ, the ultimate powerhouse portable charger, redefining convenience and versatility. The Bold 2 by UZ is a powerhouse portable charger that's set to revolutionize your charging experience. Capable of delivering up to 290 watts to 6 devices simultaneously, this device is perfect for tech enthusiasts and remote workers alike. With 4 USB-C ports, a QI charger, and a wireless watch charger, the Bold 2 handles everything from smartphones to MacBooks. Constructed from American aircraft-grade anodized aluminum, the Bold 2 is not only durable but also efficient at heat dissipation. Its advanced lithium polymer graphene cells provide up to 2,000 charging cycles, ensuring long-lasting performance. The upgraded chips offer protection against overcurrent, voltage, temperature, and short circuits. The Bold 2 is also equipped with an OLED screen for easy monitoring of battery life and charging status, and features water-resistant ports for added durability. It's important to handle it with care to maintain its longevity and avoid damage. Always use certified cables and chargers, preferably the 100-watt USB-C type, to ensure optimal performance. For best results, fully charge the Bold 2 before its first use and repeat full charging cycles 2-3 times to optimize its capacity. Remember to disconnect it once fully charged and store it properly when not in use to preserve its battery life. Whether you need to charge a high-power laptop or multiple mobile devices, the Bold 2 is an exceptional choice for all your portable power needs. Need a pocket microscope that goes wherever you do? Meet the Carson Optical MP250 Microflip, offering 100 times to 250 times magnification with LED and UV light, plus a smartphone digiscoping clip for capturing your discoveries on the go. The Carson Optical MP250 Microflip is a versatile pocket microscope designed for precise image quality and convenient portability. This LED and UV-lighted microscope offers magnifications ranging from 100 times to 250 times, making it ideal for various applications such as counterfeit currency detection and nectar mapping. Equipped with a smartphone digiscoping clip, the microflip allows users to capture images and videos of their subjects using their smartphone's built-in camera application. The microflip features a unique flip-down slide base with an aspheric lens system, ensuring ultra-precise image quality. It also includes a built-in UV flashlight and comes with a starter slide with a cover slip and a wrist strap for easy carrying. The smartphone digiscoping clip is compatible with most smartphone models, though thicker cases may need to be removed before attachment. Powered by one AA battery, the microflip is an affordable and versatile tool for educational purposes, hobbies, and exploration. For those interested in a handheld microscope, the Carson MP250 Microflip offers magnifications from 100 times to 250 times and features a flip-up objective base with an aspheric lens system for accurate image quality. It includes a built-in UV torch for additional functionality and comes with a smartphone digiscoping clip for capturing photos and videos. The microflip is powered by one AA battery and is suitable for various applications, from studying seedlings to examining banknotes and stamps. Whether you're a collector, grower, or hobbyist, the Carson Microflip MP250 provides a convenient and efficient solution for magnifying and studying objects. With its LED illumination and adjustable magnification, this compact microscope offers clear visibility and precise focus. Included accessories like the smartphone adapter and starter slide make it easy to use and suitable for a wide range of tasks. Are you ready to explore the microscopic world like never before? Discover the wonders of science and technology with our range of innovative gadgets, including the Carson Optical MP250 Microflip Pocket Microscope. But wait, there's more to come. Stay tuned for more exciting gadgets and tools to enhance your daily life and hobbies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to stay updated on our latest releases, and join our growing community of tech enthusiasts. Get ready to elevate your experience with cutting-edge technology. Looking for a flashlight that outshines the rest? Introducing the Wuben X3, a versatile flashlight designed for everyday use. Let's compare it with the Baseus V20, similar in appearance but with distinct differences. While the V20 boasts various light modes and a 180-degree swivel head, the X3 stands out with its superior build quality and design finesse. The X3's features include a magnetic base, a two-way pocket clip, and USB-C rechargeability. Its 700 lumens output ensures powerful illumination, with options for white and red light settings. The X3's rotating head and innovative charging case, doubling as a power bank, further elevate its utility. Despite its higher price, the X3 offers unparalleled versatility, making it a standout choice for both everyday carry and professional use. With its robust design and cutting-edge features, the Wuben X3 sets a new standard in flashlight technology, ensuring reliability and functionality in any situation. Need a compact yet powerful solution to keep your camera and electronics dust-free? Introducing the VSGO electric air blower, a powerful and compact tool designed to keep your camera and electronics dust-free. This innovative device, only 4.5 inches tall, boasts a 100,000 revolutions per minute high-speed turbo motor, producing wind speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour for efficient dust removal. Its all-metal fan blades, crafted with precision using 5-axis CNC technology, work with a high-speed brushless motor to enhance air output, ensuring thorough cleaning. The blower is equipped with a removable nozzle and soft-bristled brush, doubling its dust removal efficiency. The 1,200 mAh battery offers up to 60 minutes of use and charges conveniently via USB-C. The VSGO electric air blower features 3 wind power settings: 20 meter per second for CMOS sensors, 29 meter per second for lenses, and 34.5 meter per second for camera bodies and flashes. The built-in LED light, with a brightness of 36 lux, aids in cleaning by illuminating the work area. Its replaceable air purification filter captures 99.97% of dust and pollen, preventing secondary contamination. The blower's industrial-style design combines functionality with an appealing user experience, making it a valuable tool for photographers and gadget enthusiasts alike. Ideal for cleaning cameras, lenses, keyboards, and other electronic devices, the VSGO electric air blower is both powerful and user-friendly. Despite its small size, it delivers significant cleaning power, making it a must-have accessory for maintaining your equipment. This versatile gadget is your all-in-one solution for drying, sterilizing, heating, and cooling wherever life takes you. Introducing the Lyndry 4-in-1 dryer, sterilizer, heater, and cooler, a revolutionary gadget designed to fit seamlessly into your on-the-go lifestyle. This versatile device offers a multitude of features to ensure your clothes are dry, sterilized, and your environment is comfortable anytime and anywhere. The Lyndry features a large area positive temperature coefficient heating system that provides rapid, efficient drying with increased airflow. It can handle multiple items of clothing simultaneously. Discover the Baseus 6-in-1 docking station, a versatile and powerful accessory perfect for your Steam Deck and other handheld devices. This device offers superior functionality with 3 USB 3.0 ports, 100-watt USB-C power delivery, gigabit Ethernet, and HDMI output. Its adjustable backplate ensures compatibility with various devices, making it an excellent choice for gamers using the Asus ROG Ally or Neo handheld PCs. This docking station excels in design and practicality. It features a sleek, compact build with a folding plate that doubles as a stand, allowing it to fit seamlessly on your desk or in your bag for travel. The integrated faux connector for the USB-C cable keeps it tidy when not in use. The Baseus dock supports video output up to 4K at 60 Hz, making it ideal for connecting to a monitor or gaming TV. It also handles peripheral connectivity effortlessly, powering keyboards, mice, and controllers without any issues. The gigabit Ethernet port ensures stable, high-speed internet for lag-free gaming and streaming. While some docks use USB-C ports for peripherals, Baseus sticks with the traditional USB-A, ensuring broad compatibility without the need for adapters. Its build quality is robust, combining high-quality plastic and aluminum with a rubberized cradle for added stability. Thanks for joining us on this journey through cutting-edge gadgets. From powerful air blowers to versatile docking stations, these innovative gadgets are designed to enhance your everyday life, streamline your tasks, and transform how we work and play. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to stay updated on our latest gadget reviews and tech tips. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into even more exciting and cool gadgets we are sure you've never seen in your life.